Far away on Sodor, the steam engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels? You're just jealous, James. Puffy pistons? You shouldn't have collected, Mr. Conductor. I should have.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets.
Hey, there they are.
We'll fix the wagons. I'm not good at backing up. Me neither.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we'd better find her first.
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball.
When Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past here.
Right.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello.
The boss dumps squeezing powder everywhere.
Start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, brutes. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now.
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.